Hello, and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Turbo, its short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, we went down, as I said. We couldn't hold the fibs, couldn't hold the 0.5 or the 618. I believe we were below the 0.5. When we broke the 618, I said we could go down to around a quarter cent. It went down to 2.9. Got pretty close. Now your next target to the downside is a quarter cent, 2.5. Once it breaks 2.9. If it breaks a quarter cent, as I said, it can go as low as 1.5 of a cent, and if it breaks 1.5, it can go to 0.08 of a cent. And from where we're at, just down to the 786, is roughly 25%. And if it breaks that, it can go down to 1.4, so just under 1.5 of a cent. And that's roughly almost 60%. And again, if it does break the 786, that is where it's heading. Doesn't mean it's over for Turbo, it just means it's having pretty much a full retracement of the rally that it recently had. Which sucks for everyone that wanted to catch that rally, or even the most previous rally of about 80%. Yeah, you're just gonna have to hold on and continue to accumulate down at those bottom ranges. Now let's switch over to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is holding support. As I said, once we broke 56,000, we could go down to 53. We did that exactly. It went down to 53,550. Now we've had about a $6,000 bounce since then. And yes, that is a pretty significant bounce, but it still isn't quite enough. We need to get over 62,000 and hold up there for a daily, at least a few daily closes, if not a weekly close, to continue this bullish trend. If we can't, we're going to break 53,000 and we're going to go down to the 618, the macro 618, and that's roughly at $49,000. 49,000 to 50,000 flat. And that would send Turbo down to a quarter cent at least. I will say that yes, once it does get over 62,000, it is bullish, very bullish. But yes, that will be a very big dump when Bitcoin revisits $49,000, $50,000. Now, if we do see a bounce off the 786, your target is the 618. And from where we're at, or from the 786, I should say, to the 618, it's roughly 50%. If we get over that, next target is the 0.5, and the 618 is at 0038. And the 0.5 is at just under half a cent, and that's roughly 87%. After that is the 382, and that is at just over half a cent, and that's 125%. And after that is the 236, That's at just over, or just under 3/4 of a cent, and that's 168%. And your target after that is the 1 cent high, and that is roughly 280%, almost 300%. Now your long-term upside targets are 2 cents to as high as 10 cents. 2 cents is roughly 700%, and 4 cents is roughly 1500%. We'll do 8 cents. 8 cents is roughly 3400%, and 10 cents is roughly 4000%. I wouldn't be expecting those targets until the spring of 2025 to the fall of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.